everyone. The Export Customer Pricelist in the XLS or PDF app helps user to export and multiple customers price list grouped by partners into and multiple file types like PDF or Excel. Now let's get into the sales to export and customer price list. So for that let me get into the sales. Under orders we can see an option named customers. Under customer list, user can see and multiple customers that are created. So let me get into an list view. By selecting all the customers, under action, user can see an export customer price list option to export and selected customers price list. When we get into that, after selecting an file type as a PDF file or else an Excel file, let me choose an PDF now. User has to click on an Export Customer Price List button to generate an PDF report for the selected customer. Now, user can view a customer price list report in the PDF format. Like the same way, we can export a customer price list in the Excel format too. So for that, let me get into a customer page where we can select all the customers, and from here under action we can see an option named Export Customer Price List. From here we need to choose an file type as an Excel file. So from here let me export it. Okay. User can view a customer price list report in the Excel format like this. So it will be downloaded based on the customer wise. You can see a customer name right away here. Okay. Like the same way you can see based on the customer the price list will be exported. And also you can see a price list name right away here. So in this way, we can make use of this module to export and customer price list in XLS and PDF formats. Thank you for watching.